Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to translate YouTube comments. So it's really simple. So the first thing you'll have to do to translate YouTube comments from your native language or a language that you want into your own native language. So let's just say you want it to be translated to your own language. It's really simple. So I'm using English, so I want it to be translated in English. So you go to your YouTube, your profile, you go to settings, and then you go right here and then you find where's that. So hold on a second, I actually forgot general. So there, general, I apologize. And then app language, so you can change the app language right here. But for iOS you will have to change it in the setting. So I'll go to settings and then search up language, and then search up the language that you want right here, your local dialect or whatsoever. So I'm going to use English, and English is going to be primarily the way I will translate it. So when I go to YouTube and then when I go to a comment, actually, so when I go to YouTube and I go to a comment, I'll be able to actually, so let's just actually put that down. So when we go to a comment, let's just pause that video. When we try to look for a comment, we will be able to translate it into English basically, but if I can't find any, then I can't really find anything. So when there's a local language right here, it's gonna be able to pop up right here, right below this here. There's gonna be a button to translate, but I can't find anything that is not English. So there you go guys, that is how you translate YouTube comments, and it's just really that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.